Ok, chicas, os voy a enseñar cómo hacer el jamboard. I have few here. You have to go to this jamboard. I don't think it's recording. Yeah, jamboard here. Just click there. I just click, and you're gonna see what I have. I mean, I already have the kids. They have been doing a whole bunch of them. What I did first, it was this one jamboard. So at least they had a model of things that I wanted to do, and this is what Maria did. Just like a cross, and then I told them word, image, sentence, definition in English. So nice sentence, nice transition. It could be something like that. These are the things that they have been doing, so maybe you can take a look at my periods. If you have 20 kids, you're fine. If you have more than 20, you have to create two, one for home and one for, I put like casa, periodo uno, and clase. So one is clase, one is casa. They are gonna look like this. Let's open this one, for example. I don't know, this is period 4. Ahead of time, I created all of these jamboards. I created 14 for the people in the class. And what I did is I put the name, so they were done ahead of time. The kids just had to go to the thing, to their slide. Their slide was assigned. And I gave the vocab to each one of them with a list. I said, like, okay, so Hannah, paisaje en refugio. Give me a sentence, juicy, because I told them to use the transitions that I gave them in the thing, a picture, and what it means in English. So you can see that. It says refugio. Fui a un refugio a buscar seguridad, fue muy asusto. Sin embargo, el paisaje del bosque fue muy hermoso. So I was talking to them throughout the whole thing. Okay. To tell them like what was going on, because you can see everybody working on their slide and how they're working on their sentences and what kind of things they're doing. When you create this, what you have to do, very simple, is let's see if I remember. What you have to do, very simple, is just share, and this is gonna show up for you. Okay, when you want to share the slides for the classes, what you have to do is make sure that the link is restricted only for people at Trumbull High School, right? And then make sure that here you have editors so they can edit their slides. I'm not going to touch anything because obviously you don't want me to. I mean, it's already like done. But if I were to do it, this is just my example. It's done. Okay, permission updated. And then you copy the link copied. And what you do is like you go to your class. Like this is my class del periodo uno. And if I want to do a jamboard tomorrow, which I will with them, all I have to do is like, okay, classwork, and put it in the agenda for the day. I didn't do the jamboard here, but I can show you like in periodo 3 where it went into the classwork, and then it went into like the agenda, and the agenda was like everything that we were gonna do during the day, and the jamboard was there in the instructions. So you just have to like put the jamboard like very simple. You just like add like one thing, like you're adding when you go to a class, any class, you just like, if you go to classwork, you create, and whatever you're assigning, the only thing that you have to do is they add the link, and if I right click, you're gonna see paste, add link, and that is the jamboard. Obviously I'm not doing it, but you can just put it there. Just make sure that you have like students can edit, okay? Because if they cannot edit here and edit here, they cannot edit. So that's it. That's all it takes to do these jamboards. And then the kids, they go and they create really cool things, and they look nice. And as you can see, you can be at home, you can be on a Wednesday, and we can do a jamboard or anything, because jamboards actually they have so much to do in the jamboard. Okay, So that's how, that's something else. That's not what I wanted, but I have all of them here so you can see like they've been creating. And make sure that you put like all the names at the beginning, like, so it saves time. Like each kid is gonna do something different, so that's the good thing about Jamboard, that each kid is going to you know, create something cool and original. And then tomorrow I think we're gonna read them, or I don't know what the heck I'm doing tomorrow, because I'm like, right now I'm just going in my bike to do a little bit of run, like biking. Okay, girlies, and that's it. Ask me any questions if you have anything.